So yeah, it's what, the 19th of October. It's been really windy this last week. Today is pretty windy. Things are starting to get a bit battered by the wind. The Jerusalem artichokes on the fence side have took a bit of a turn for the worst. One of them's been totally blown over. The other one's still holding onto the fence. So yeah, it's been windy. I'll have a look down here. You can see there's the artichoke that's been blown over. I'll dig that up today and see what's going on with that. Hopefully there'll be a few tubers for us to take home. Generally it's still been pretty mild for the time of year. You know, coolish winds but still pretty warm. Things are starting to die back out a little bit, but again, you know, in the middle of October and everything's growing pretty well still. Yeah, we've got a few courgettes still keep coming. Still enjoying them. And down this bit down here, there's a big patch of ochre. Took some out the other week, but hardly any tubers on it, so hopefully we'll get a few more off this patch down here. So yeah, that's a short video for you for today, and hopefully we'll do another one next week. So thanks for watching, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.